You're a gate. Be near a wall or your wow. Come to my house to do what? What me? What do say be of a car? Or what do most of them walk by that female? What do we? Now let me tell my bar, what you know. What do you be near wall or your wow? Ah, we have off, Filusana. We're going to wire the beru, the lagumotoni. Iwa la dia. Who be that? Na me, Dion. Really, ya keku ya iwolu be your wow. Ugwa. Umie wo de utu me. Umie we ku utu me. They don't I go greet her back fast. I want to say hi. Which hi? Nobody comes to my house uninvited. You dare not. I'm not born you way. I don't knock. Yeah, I'll be that. Whether I want to go outside or I want to relax. Today will be Sunday. You know where I did last night? Huh? So what have I come to? I've come to introduce you to my family. So what I want to tell them? No, you not stay me. Even the one that they call friend. If I notice anything, I pursue you come up for my body. Maybe you don't come spoil my name, not to have any. Maybe you don't come stain me. I don't want stain. Emata ya koko me ba bie me emata. I don't want stain. I am a humanitarian, a core humanitarian. Now business you and colleagues they do. Make una not carry on now constant me. 2 days ago, there somebody one the organization called me. They want to give me an award. I said, which award? I said humanitarian award. I said no. You don't need. You want to recognize me. You don't need to give me an award. What is award? What award is your award do? I reject awards almost every week. Organizations must call me. Want to give you an award. The last one I accept now, ITV award. I was given an award as the best social media influencer in the state. Number 1. ITV is reputable. They didn't ask me for money. But that word, may you go that word, it's your office. I said, no, I'm sorry. I said, no, they see the work what they do, and they help people. I said, you don't need to give me an award. I am still working. This is not the time for you to come give me an award. How many people are done in power? Have we achieved the 1,000 market women that we plan to empower this year? Are we giving up to 50 to 100 children scholarship? There are 1,001 donors online waiting to give back to the society, waiting to give back to the system that made them. Many big donors, we will bring out 10 million, say about this 10 million, spread it among market women. They are still watching. To say, Gaga, they are about to have you. They are getting Dora. Gaga, do Mamu. Gaga, Dora, ye foundation away, Immune Shetro. Gaga, Dora, ye, Oboyari Bogi. Yari Hugo. They are still watching. And by the time they are convinced beyond reasonable doubt, they will now partner with us. As we speak, our boy, our young boy will go put for Indian doctor. Today, they don't do, the brother sent message last night, and they do the boy surgery. That is what gives me joy. Getting good people to help the less privileged. Getting kind-hearted Nigerians, kind-hearted Edos to give back to the society that made them. It's clear now saying I will let we help ourselves. What the government really do? Every day is complaint. Buhari is borrow. Now let we now feel stand for each other. It was very painful. This year, I don't receive more than 10 calls from relative, parents. My pikin get kidney, get cancer. I said, I am sorry, madam. Today, the one I received today, the woman was crying. I said, madam, I am sorry. I no longer raise money for terminal illness. Cancer patient, kidney patients that we raised money for last year, many of them not survivor. It's painful for you to just use your platform, throw money, and then they can use the money, do dialysis, do chemo. At the end of the day, the person will still give up. I said, it's hard, but I can't. I no longer raise money for terminal kidney cancer. I said, what I do now is any illness that can be corrected medically, just the way that boy leg just be that day now, with money we feel correct her. So that people will see waiting they use their money do. By the time this our young boy they come out now, he call it Wakana, people will donate for that boy, they will be happy. It's sad. But if not, every day now for they see kidney patient for my platform. Every day for that tired. I say, I really come with a door. Every day they call me. My brother no wear kidney. I say, now not the two let me do. If now surgery, if person born, if now operation, we no say we fit spend money put and it will work. Maybe when we open foundation, we fit the do. But for now, it's a no for me. Sad, but it's a no. Like the one of last month now. As you might come back, I said, madam, you know, I want to do again. The one I do last year too many. I may not survive. I said, send me your account. I sent the woman 100,000 from my own purse. I said, this is my little contribution for this week's dialysis. 3 of my close friends don't die of kidney ailment. These are millionaires. Millionaires. Everybody know them. So don't come and distract me. I will not partner with you and I will not pally you. This one say, Rosemary Cletus. He said, how about you be thief? Who are thief? For more than 7 years that I have been active on social media, nobody don't paste sleep online say I give about money, I'm about to chop my money. Nobody has accused me of siphoning their money. Nobody has accused me. No single person, apart from fake account, who they insult my enemy. Nobody, even in business, nobody does say about dupe me. But we know people when they do foundation, we chop one get money for Jamie, finish the get, even chop the get inverter money. Oh yeah, yo. One day for thief, another day for the owner. I go about it so why? Now let about him picture the foundation deck. A foundation wa wule or wule. Rukbare e biebirie. I look my viekbe or viekbe corner the company me. I look balahi. I look balahi. For the past 2 years, my doyer one. My doyer one. You can't be a banner. This is inverter with solar winner. Inverter. You can't be a banner. Yeah, it's switched to J. EACVA. I walk. About that thief, white thief. Nobody don't come out for full live video. Not be fake account to say see. About chop my 100,000. About chop my about say make about give market to my money. He chop her or he give the money. He not mention my name. So I will not endorse your fraudulent foundation. Don't you don't go see my picture anywhere. I cannot snap picture with Collins. I cannot snap picture with Dion anywhere. If I go some party, people they want they close to me. Really, I'm a picture. For me, I don't want stain. And right there, no sabody me. I don't stain. I choose my friends carefully. People like Egosa, the Winnie, we talk every day. These are great people. These are good. These are people who get good hearts. We talk. I talk to great mind. Them like Islimene, the Mosa Mega, Esosa. These are people who get good hearts. I call them my friends because we share people like the Chris. So because we share things in common. That is the heart to help humanity. Here we for one night. They are very hardworking. So I don't want to stay. Hey, about a bazaar, there was like a reconcile. I ran away, okay. And the better swari go no. You will not use my picture or my video to revive your ailing foundation. Agberawale. Ologboga hormonary moon. Esikeme. No stay erwede no sa oba mume. Estene. Look, we cleaner. Estene. Ago seze. Princess Michael, thank you very much. Ago seze. Igo torio we yibe do. That is any get Irowa, he can't get you be valor. Here we about and just like a fat for Magba. What you can do for my house? You dare not come next time. Dion Osagie, you are not invited to my house. I am not your friend. If you see me anywhere, don't come close to me. It will not be funny. Get one maggot when we not play for social media. The person they always insult me. We see for party, you want to shake me. I not agree make you shake me. I cannot be friend to everybody. It's not possible. Choose your friends wisely. Why we call it Simudia? Why we collaborate with here? Mama, if you don't need Mama, we on one side. That don't get a walker. So about not take over everywhere. If I buy your bring money, bring a person come up for a platform. Everywhere I buy they give market to me 50K. See how people they dance, they shock them, they shockalize them. SC don't be fun. I say we could not close the foundation in order to not close. Now, do it well. Do it correctly. Be accountable. Be transparent. I'm going to run we are bello one here, Delo to the ya Dubai away party. Ya fly helicopter. Helicopter when my fly 2 years ago, Cook Foundation. Why are you going to hear helicopter with Dubai? Now I'm way Dubai. Foundation wa wule. You go buy wa kwan. You say you big boy, you dey America, you buy truck for America. O ame te niwe o dagbele ajewa. O ame te nye ho o do. Fake life. Asikeme. Don't not come stain me. Not stain my clothes. I have no business with your foundation. We have nothing in common. People are, those have rejected you, they have rejected your foundation because it's not transparent, you are not accountable. Ayave, ya revive foundation of Wune. Oye kilo sa kono ko diga ayave do we election. Mawari kape wa le ri. Omo me video we na me say we did together. Ayi do ni me ile le ma mo picture ni ya. Oya ri ya ni. From Monday to Saturday, why we live video. Hey, come help. Hey, come help. Why we na? Why you born? Why we na? Obogbuwa. Monday we video. Apple, put money for my account, make I give them. Apple, Tuesday, Apple. Wednesday, Apple, Thursday, Apple, Friday, Saturday, even go reach on Sunday. Wow. America, a land of opportunities. Till tomorrow, people are still looking for visas to go America, go work, go hustle, make good money, come back, invest, and live a good life. You dare America with document that your father give to you. You are running up and down. You don't feel convert 1 to 2, 1, 2, 3. No quick way. You don't feel do business. I will boy this about 50 trailers no are sapero ni e genocide you get custard or I say trucks the camera carry. Every UK winner, woman. As today for Canada, cold everywhere. People are working. People there where they did work, but no job in this country. So people are stranded. They are finding life difficult because government know they get plan for people. When no America, what you think? What in your today? Mawina gabu. Me and Dion consider and say we drink together. What we want discuss? We have nothing in common. I am a child from the ghetto. America. I struggle. I fought my way to where I am now. I am a child of struggle. I'm not an opportunist. Financial gule. Ever ya tino kwa. Ono wani carry go get Johnny, get him away. I beg, I want partner with you for this market women empowerment. You go na regian, I have lawyer. So arrogant, we insult people, talk any buy ticket, fly up and down. So you say you don't open office now for Lagos. What money? Why you don't open office for America? Because there you don't feel do nonsense. The law will catch you. You don't feel do fraudulent for a foundation for there. Yeah, you can do nonsense. Go to the Ministry of Women Affairs, they don't know what they do. So here na fertile ground for nonsense. So now why all of them they comfortable to do the nonsense here? Don't you I will never allow you use me to revive your dead foundation. Never. Who try? Oh yeah, we are tracking. Wow. Well, man. Yeah, we are tracking. Wow. Oh, I gotta finish it for. Oh, I go away. the 30 person say he go anybody will do video with his name now. He go find the person. He go deal with the person. He go pay police. Make police help and track the number. Make him deal with the person. The next day delete the video. Police delete the video. Wait for us saying go pay police. You never pay them to track my location. May you can't beat me. May you can't break my head. May you can't shoot me with all those egbe which they carry for nobody. You never give the police people my number, maybe they track my location. You never they monitor me, you never they trace me. Wa bomb wa be na ahe. Egbegi ke police, egbegi Eganade. Upona ni ma ye na over na. Ogbeni mi, over na. You go adelere. Akative one me. Foundation woo. Egbegi kai. You call it on my live video. I will arrest you. I want to be used personality. Show example now. Egbegi kai. Before they form the marshal. I mean about no marshal. Now the marshal. I don't reply about Egbegi kia. Oh, tutu no mwepiaka. Oh, tutu. Oh, tutu no mwemada. Oh, tutu. Yeah, me dey your heart. During answers, I see colleagues for front of government house. If they do live video, you want to put me? I withdraw myself. Now me, you want to promote your useless business. They use your personal account to do foundation. Put your personal account everywhere for internet. If people can call you now say, my brother, go work, foundation will be work. You say you want to go pay police. Make police help you track them. May you use one to show example. May you go kill them, abi. We are being one. I don't know anyway. We are me gap. I know the boys say police get bear. What those your life? Facebook police. Who you lie on? Facebook police. Policia. I got already a wa. Yo, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, we was a magba popular. I may not mind magba. What I mean, we were bat. I go away. Yeah, I'm not a good one. Yeah, we are one me about you one. Just do like say you want to show maturity. Your good house. Your good house. I see you just come to the talk. This is what made your foundation feel come up. Who been here wall we are here picture me go. Any work can get to me. What are you doing, man?